Hello friends! Today I am going to show you the recipe of Paneer Frankie. So let's start. So the ingredients of my recipe are some paneer which is chopped into cubes, plain flour roti, butter, oil, ginger garlic paste, carrot, onion, coriander leaves, green capsicum, red capsicum and yellow capsicum which is chopped, tomato puree, red chili sauce, cheese which is grated, salt, mayonnaise, red chili powder, turmeric powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, Frankie masala and some lemon juice. So let's start. Now take a pan and add 1 tablespoon of butter on it. Let the butter melt. The butter has melted and now I am going to add some paneer which is chopped into cubes. Mix it and roast it until the paneer is golden brown. The paneer pieces are golden brown and now I am going to transfer it into a plate. I remove the paneer pieces and in the same pan I am going to add 1 tablespoon of oil. Then I am going to add some onion which is chopped. Mix it and cook it until the onions are golden brown. My onions are golden brown and now I am going to add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Mix it and cook it for 1 to 2 minutes. After 1 to 2 minutes, the ginger garlic paste has cooked and now I am going to add different types of spices. So first, salt as per taste, red chili powder as per taste, turmeric powder 1/4 teaspoon, coriander powder half tablespoon and cumin powder half tablespoon. And now we are going to mix it and let the spices cook. The spices have cooked and now I am going to add some tomato puree in it. Mix it and cook the tomato puree until the oil separates. The oil has separated and now I am going to add different types of chopped capsicum. So first yellow capsicum, then red capsicum and then green capsicum. With that some roasted paneer pieces. And now we are going to mix it all well until everything has combined. Everything has combined well and now I am going to cover it with a lid and steam it for 3 to 4 minutes. After 3 to 4 minutes, the paneer and the capsicum has cooked and now I am going to add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice in it. With that, some coriander leaves which is chopped. And now we are going to mix it until everything combines. I mixed it properly and my stuffing is ready and now I am going to turn off the gas and go to the next process. Now take a pan and grease some butter on it. Let the butter melt. The butter has melted and now I am going to add the roti in it. And now we are going to roast it on both the sides. The roti has roasted on both the sides and now I am going to transfer it into a plate. I transferred the roti into this plate and now I am going to add 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise in it. Then add 1 tablespoon of chili sauce. And now we are going to mix it and spread it. I spread it well and now I am going to add 1 tablespoon of the stuffing in it. I added 1 tablespoon of the stuffing in it and now I am going to add some grated carrot. Then I am going to add some grated cheese on it. Then I am going to sprinkle some Frankie masala. I sprinkled some Frankie masala and now I am going to wrap it tightly. I wrapped it tightly and now I'm going to insert a toothpick in it. Then I'm going to transfer it into a plate. Similarly, I made one more Frankie. You can serve it with tomato sauce. So this is my delicious and tasty Paneer Frankie recipe. Give this recipe a try and enjoy.